Hello friends, Southern Hill Farms. Welcome to it. We're here pretty close to my homestead near Clermont. I'm not really sure what the town is we're in, but it's very farmy out here. Very hilly. Nice. Welcome. Alright. Friends, this place is crazy. It is so big. There's fields of all types of fruit and peaches and strawberries and sunflowers and stuff, and they have like vendors out here, and like there's this kiddie area back in the background with inflatables and such. It's pretty cool. There's live music, and they have a bar out here. Tons of people. I had no idea that this existed. It's really cool. You got kettle corn and some inflatables back there. Don't miss that at all. Some food truck situations. Good. Well, friends, I have discovered that unfortunately I've ripped a hole in my favorite denim shirt. My tuxedo top will not be complete for very long. Looks like I'm gonna have to retire this one soon. I'm very bummed. I love this shirt. Rainy day on the farm. Well, I didn't just come out here to hang around with all this family stuff going on. I came out here to pick some fruit. So it's strawberry time, and I got this box. I'm gonna fill this sucker up and make something strawberry maybe. I don't know. There's blueberries too, and who knows what else is out here. I'm just gonna go to pick it. They have a flower field too. You can be photogenic with the old truck and the sunflowers if you want to. Family photo time. Work smarter, not harder, as they say. I came all the way out to the outskirts of the field, the farthest point that I could where nobody was. And there are some ripe strawberries out here. Lots of them. Yeah. Walking all the way out to the back of the fields to get the strawberries is a great idea until you have to walk back with a lot of strawberries. It's not light. It's light enough. I mean, I'm not a wimp. Checkout time. The denim shirt has suffered another calamity today. Got strawberries stained on it from walking around with that heavy load of strawberries. Oh well, you know, it's still wearable. I'm here in the blueberry part now, so I'm picking some blueberries. Might just make a blueberry pie, but gonna get a lot of blueberries, that's for sure. I picked all the blueberries I can possibly pick. I think I'm set for at least a 5-gallon batch of beer or a couple of pies. I think I'm gonna go for the pies on this one though. Music already. This place is open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and they got music through the day, and in the evening they got some nighttime picking that goes on. This is a really cool place. It's a great place to bring your family if you're out here just looking for something to do. Blueberry checkout. Oh, hand washing wagon. Cool. Oops. Good, how are you?
Good.
Right.
It's gonna be $25.50.
Carrying all that fruit wear you out. It's a good thing they have these rocking chairs. Seating area. Relax after all that hard work. It's a lot of bounty. There's 2 of those containers. So it was really cool. The guy that gave me a ride earlier was the owner, David. It was very cool to meet him. He talked to me for a while and he told me that the blueberry lemonade is his wife's recipe and the donuts are really good. So I'm definitely gonna have to try both of those things. This place is really cool. I'll take a blueberry lemonade and a donut.
And a donut.
Yeah. All right. Oh, thank you. Oh, that is really good. It's really sweet, but it's just right. Wow, it's good. Yeah, the donut. It's blueberry. It's the only donut that they offer, and it is like amazing. Wow. This could be, besides Schuler's in Springfield, Ohio, the original location, the chocolate Bismarcks, and their glaze, this could be my favorite donut that I've ever had, aside from those 2. Nothing can beat Schuler's chocolate glaze Bismarck. Nothing. Oh, this is really good. Friends, thanks for joining me today at Southern Hill Farms. This has been quite the adventure. I wasn't expecting this at all when I heard about the place. It's very cool. They're on and off playing bluegrass in the background. I'm always a fan of that. Some great strawberries and blueberry picking, some banjo picking, and donuts were great. All the stuff here is great, and I didn't even explore it all. There's more to see. I'll have to come back here again. I did meet David, as I said, and maybe we'll get back here one of these days soon and see how some of these amazing donuts are made. What the magic ingredient is in there, but they're amazing. They're so good. I'm conjuring up some recipes with them now. I'm thinking like a milkshake with some these blueberries and a donut mixed in with some ice cream. I don't know, but I picked up 6, so I'm gonna do something with them. Friends, thanks for joining me today. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video.